Anthropic just dropped 15 plus free courses. But honestly, most people are taking them in the wrong order. I've spent the last few weeks taking the 7 core practitioner courses and stress testing them in the real world. I figured out exactly what actually moves the needle and what you can completely skip. This is free, official training straight from Anthropic's engineers. It covers advanced 2026 skills like prompt caching, and you even get a verified LinkedIn certificate. But be warned, the course is massive. If you don't know exactly what to focus on, you'll waste hours getting lost in the weeds. First up is Claude 101. Look, it's only an hour, and honestly, if you use Claude daily, you can skim most of it. Just make sure you don't miss the connectors lesson. This is how you stop the endless copying and pasting, and finally link Claude directly to your Google Drive or Notion. It's the orientation you actually need to stop working like it's 2023. If you only have time for one course, make it AI Fluency. You'll master the 4D framework here. Here's the breakdown of it. Delegation. Decide exactly what Claude handles and what stays with you. Description. Give Claude enough context to nail the task on the very first try. Discernment. Check the output for tone and accuracy before you even think about hitting send. Diligence. Own the final result, including the parts the AI wrote. This stops Claude from giving you generic, robotic answers and starts turning it into an elite partner. It'll make your prompts 10x more reliable overnight. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to AI Fire yet, now's the time. We're tracking the latest in AI every single day. Tools, tips, and workflows, so you don't have to. Click that subscribe button to keep your edge. Next up, the MCP path. Anthropic splits this into 2 parts, and a quick heads up, if you take them in the wrong order, the advanced stuff just won't stick. If you're wondering what Course 3, Introduction to Model Context Protocol, actually covers, MCP is the open standard that lets Claude talk to outside tools and data sources in a clean, repeatable way. It's essentially the bridge that allows Claude to securely access your local files and databases to perform real-world tasks. Pro tip for you, watch the intro, Course 3, first. I've seen way too many people jump straight into the advanced modules in Course 4, and they just drown in technical jargon like transport and sampling. Build a simple server first, see it work, and then go deep. Course 5, Claude Code in Action. If you write code, this one is about as practical as it gets. It's built specifically for builders, and the real standout here is planning mode. Basically, you'll learn how to use the /plan command to force Claude to map out every single change before it touches a single line of your files. Honestly, it feels like having a senior architect sitting right in your terminal, making sure you don't break the entire project. Next, we have the heavyweight of the group, building with the Claude API. This is a massive deep dive. We're talking 84 lectures covering everything from API fundamentals to RAG and agentic workflows. It's basically the technical backbone for anyone who wants to build real products with Claude. Now, a pro tip for you to save time. If you've already crushed the AI Fluency course, you can honestly skip the prompt engineering module here. It's pretty much the same info. Instead, spend your energy on prompt caching, which is a literal lifesaver for your budget, and extended thinking for those high-level math or coding problems. That's where the real power of the API actually lives. Last on the list is Course 7, Introduction to Agent Skills. It's short, punchy, and honestly, a total lifesaver. This course covers exactly what skills are and how to write them into a SKILL.md file, a small markdown file that Claude loads automatically whenever a task matches. I like to call these brain chips. They're reusable instruction sets that travel with you. So instead of pasting the same context into every single chat, you write it once, and Claude pulls it in whenever it's needed. You'll learn the basic structure of these files, how to organize them for a team, and even how to control which tools a skill is allowed to call. Now, the best part is the troubleshooting. It shows you exactly what to do when Claude pulls the wrong skill or won't trigger at all. Now, the only downside? There aren't many hands-on exercises in the video, so you'll want to jump in and write your first file immediately after watching. If you work in a team, this is going to be your new best friend. To keep it simple, here's your shortcut roadmap for 2026. First, non-tech pros, managers, marketers, founders. Just stick to courses 1 and 2. You'll master the 4D framework and be done in under 3 hours. Second, Developers, you're taking the full track, courses 1 through 7. It's 12 hours total, but honestly, it's the best free engineering education out there right now. And third, creators, take courses 1 and 2 for the foundation, then skip the technical stuff and jump straight to the Claude Code course they just added this April. So is it worth the time? Absolutely. It's the cleanest, most up-to-date training on the planet right now. Stop guessing how to prompt and start learning the engineering way. If you want to stay ahead of this curve, make sure to subscribe to AI Fire. We're tracking the latest in AI every single day, so you don't have to. I've linked my full ranking and the Academy page below, so you can get started. Which course are you diving into first? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you there.